What's going on, everyone? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys actually how to make a custom pinger. Now it's actually really easy and I really recommend it because it's just fun to have your own custom pinger, I guess, to ping someone's IP address. Now all you need is a notepad. So open up your notepad right here. You don't need to title it or anything. I mean, we will be, but just wait. And you can also use Notepad++ if you guys really want to do this, I don't think it's any better. I mean, there's more options you can do, but I'd say for the video, I'm just going to be using the normal notepad. And first, you're just going to do @echo off, and then after that, you're going to go down and choose your color. And I'm just going to do color D, because that's purple. I like purple. And then title, let's just make it test. And then after that, you're going to go down. And then after this, if you guys want like I don't know how to say it, but if you want like a big title right here with your name or something like that, you're going to go to this website. It'll be linked down in the description. And it'll say this. Now let's just make it something. Let's go pedo or something, whatever. And then I'm going to change it to, I really like, shoot, where is it? You could go to test all and then actually go down. I'm not sure that this one works. It sucks because you can't run ANCI text through a command prompt, so you can't actually do, like, say this one, you can't run that, sadly. But I'll get back with you guys after I pick one of these. Alright, so now that you have your text copied, you can go, it'll look exactly like this. Now all you want to do is put echo after all of these. Now I recommend just doing this, copying echo and just pasting it every one. Alright, so now that you're done with this, you can just you could do a another echo with like your name. Shoot. Echo. What the frick, dude? Okay, so what I was actually saying is that you can add another echo down here and then put your name or something like that. So I'm just gonna do like IP in my trash can. Now you don't have to do that. That's just kind of some random stuff that popped into my head. Alright, so then you click enter after that. And then this is when we get into the actual code. Now, I'm going to leave this down in the description for you guys, so it's easy, because there's really no point in coding this, because you're not really learning anything from this. So you could do, like, instead of enter IP, do, the pedo's IP, and then you could change, down to say something else, like, the pedo has stopped spying. And after that, you could do, you can actually change the color here too. This is what it's going to change to when it's offline. So let's just say this right here. Let's do, instead of, actually let's leave it like that. That's actually fine. Now go to top, and from here, you're actually done. You are fully done. I'm going to even this out a little bit. And yeah, it's that simple, guys. I really recommend doing this because it's just fun too. So we got to save it and make sure. So yeah, so once you want to save it, you click file, then save as. It should pop up with this. Now file name, we're just going to do pedo.bat. You got to put the .bat at the end, otherwise it won't load as a batch file. It'll just be text, and then do all files. And then we can do don't mind that noise. Alright, so save. Now it's saved, so you could close this. Alright guys, so you guys are actually done. This is it right here. Now you can put their IP. Hold on. And yeah, it pings good. And when it goes offline, here, I'll just show you guys real quick. Okay, there you go. It's offline. And then it turns blue, I'm pretty sure, yeah. The pedo has But stop spying. I need to fix that because it's not supposed to be that. But alright. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section. And if you guys want to win a botnet, you guys can join my Discord. That will be linked in the description. And also, if you guys want to buy a botnet, then it's on my Instagram. I'll leave a link to that too. I'll also leave a link to Notepad++ download in case you guys want to make this in Notepad++ for some reason. I hate saying that, but alright. See you guys in the next video. Peace.